Imagine you're a startup founder, just starting to build your dream. You're excited about the potential, but also overwhelmed by the administrative tasks. Then, you hear about Qonto, a digital banking platform designed specifically for businesses. Qonto has been making waves in the European fintech scene, particularly in France, where it's headquartered. But the question on everyone's mind is Qonto a unicorn? A unicorn, in tech terms, is a startup valued at over $1 billion. It's a coveted status that signifies immense growth and potential. Diving into the details, to answer this question, we need to delve into Qonto's journey and achievements. Founded in 2016, Qonto quickly gained traction by offering a streamlined, user-friendly banking experience for businesses. It simplified tasks like invoicing, expense management, and payroll, saving entrepreneurs valuable time and resources. Qonto's innovative approach and focus on customer satisfaction led to rapid growth. It attracted significant investments from prominent venture capital firms, including Altimeter Capital and Sequoia Capital. These investments not only provided financial support but also validated Qonto's potential. One key factor contributing to Qonto's success has been its ability to adapt to the evolving needs of businesses. It has continuously introduced new features and functionalities, such as multi-currency accounts and integrations with popular business tools. This responsiveness has helped Qonto maintain its competitive edge. Analyzing the unicorn status, while Qonto has undoubtedly achieved remarkable growth and success, the question of whether it's a unicorn remains. Unicorn status is often associated with specific valuation benchmarks. While Qonto has undoubtedly reached a significant valuation, it's unclear whether it has officially crossed the $1 billion mark. However, even if Qonto hasn't yet achieved unicorn status, its trajectory suggests that it's well on its way. The company's strong market position, continued growth, and strategic partnerships make it a prime candidate for future unicorn status. So, is Qonto a unicorn? While we can't definitively say at this moment, it's clear that the company is a major player in the fintech industry. Its innovative approach, focus on customer needs, and impressive growth make it a strong contender for future unicorn status. As Qonto continues to expand and evolve, we can expect exciting developments from this promising fintech startup. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.